Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy using Binance. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account, which ensures all your transactions are secure. Once verified, you can easily fund your account using a variety of payment options. Then, simply head over to the Buy Crypto section to start your purchasing journey. This straightforward process makes getting started simple and safe. Next, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from Binance's extensive list. After making your choice, pick your preferred payment method, whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or another available option. Always double-check the transaction details, including the amount and any associated fees, before moving forward. This step ensures accuracy and transparency in your purchase. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the order details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, authorize the transaction using your chosen payment method. Binance will then process your purchase, and your newly acquired cryptocurrency will promptly appear in your secure Binance wallet, ready for you to manage. To keep your assets safe, always enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account. It adds an extra layer of security. For smart investing, consider using dollar-cost averaging, which involves buying a fixed amount regularly to mitigate market fluctuations. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Staying informed and secure is key to a successful crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.